If you want to create a private family album website like this one in minutes, this is how to do it. First, the requirements. You need to have a domain and hosting. I'm not covering that in this video. You need to check the link in the description for a full guide on how to get domain and hosting. Next, you need WordPress. You need to install WordPress. If you do not know how, there's also a step-by-step video linked below for a full guide on how to install WordPress. Then we have the next step now to install the album. This is the easiest way of installing this album using the album theme way. You'll need to go to album.ke/themes on our website, album.ke. Under themes, we have these different themes that we've come up with. You just need to download one that you need. Just go to get theme and download the one that you need. Since I've already downloaded mine, after downloading, you need to install it. Now you go to your WordPress admin dashboard, go to appearance, themes. You need to add theme, upload theme, and select the theme that you just downloaded. Once you select it, you install it and now activate it. After activating this theme, if you check your plugins, you'll see the album plugin has been installed too. So it comes with a theme. If you don't want to use the themes that we have here, you can just download the plugin by itself by going to the pricing page and go to download plugin. Here, you just find the plugin alone. This plugin comes with two pages, the accept invitation and the family album page. So this is the main page that we will need. So next, you go to your album. If you go to your album page, this is how it looks like. This is the theme that we just installed. This is how it looks like. So you go to enter album. Here, now you can start adding your photos and uploading the content to your album so that it looks like this. If you want a full walkthrough of how album works, check the video in the description. That's where we show you how to upload photos, organize your family, and use all the features.